Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize monday.com for AI project reporting, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the monday.com homepage. Log into your monday.com account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the workspace where your AI project is housed. Click on the workspace to open it. In the top right corner, find and select the Integrate button. In the Integrations menu, search for AI reporting tools relevant to your project. Click on the integration you wish to set up. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the integration with your account. Grant the necessary permissions when prompted. Return to your workspace to create a new board for your AI project. Set up the columns based on the data you want to track. Input any initial data related to your AI project into the board. Select the first column and define it according to your reporting needs. Create additional columns as needed for specific metrics. Utilize the integration settings to link your AI tools directly to the board. Monitor the integration status to ensure it's. Access the dashboard view to visualize your AI project's progress. Customize your dashboard with relevant widgets. Save your dashboard settings for future reference. Regularly update your board with new data throughout the project. Review the report generated by the AI tools within monday.com. Adjust the reporting settings if necessary to refine the output. Share your board and dashboard with team members for collaboration. Schedule regular updates to keep all stakeholders informed. Continue monitoring your project to adapt to changing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.